So you just downloaded OBS and you're ready to start streaming, but the settings look super confusing, right? Don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through the best OBS settings for streaming in 2025, whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or anywhere else. By the end of this video, you'll have the smoothest stream possible, with clean audio, great visuals, and zero confusion. Let's jump into it. Start by opening OBS and going into Settings. You'll find it at the bottom right corner, under Controls. Go to the Stream tab. Here, connect your account or paste your stream key if your platform uses one. Once you're set up, this lets us use our own optimized settings instead of the basic defaults. Now head to the Output tab on the left. Change Output Mode to Advanced. This gives us full control. Make sure you're on the Streaming sub-tab. For audio track, just use track 1 unless you're doing something advanced. If you're streaming to Twitch and you want music muted in your VODs, turn on VOD track and set it to track 2. OBS will now separate your live audio from your saved video. Now for the important part. Encoder. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, select NVIDIA NVENCH 264, New. If you're on AMD, pick AMD HWH 264. If you have neither, go with X264. Just note that this uses your CPU instead of your graphics card. Leave Rescale Output unchecked. Encoder Settings, Rate Control, CBR, Constant Bitrate. Bitrate. This depends on your upload speed. 4,000 kilobits per second equals upload under 10 megabits per second. 6,000 kilobits per second equals 10 to 12 megabits per second. 8,000 kilobits per second equals over 12 megabits per second. 10,000 kilobits per second equals streaming to YouTube with 14 plus Mbps upload. Test your internet speed at speedtest.net if you're not sure. Keyframe interval 2. Preset. P5 slow for gaming and streaming on same PC. P6 slower or P7 slowest for dedicated streaming PCs. Use medium if you're on a low-end setup. Tuning, high quality. Multipass mode, 2 passes, quarter res. Use full resolution if you're on a streaming-only PC. Profile high. Look ahead, uncheck. Psycho-visual tuning, check. GPU, 0. Max B-frames, 2. Click Apply to save changes. Go to the Audio tab. Sample rate, 48 kHz. Channels, stereo. Under Desktop Audio, select your default audio device, usually your headset or speakers. If you use a second device, like a separate chat audio output, add it under Desktop Audio too. For mic/auxiliary audio, choose your main microphone. Click Apply. Head over to the Video tab. Base, Canvas, Resolution. Use your screen's native resolution or 1920 by 1080. To check your screen resolution, right-click your desktop, Display Settings. Check your display resolution. Output, Scaled, Resolution. Set this to 1920 by 1080. Downscale filter, Lanczos, Best quality. FPS, Common FPS value 60. If you chose 4000 bitrate earlier, consider using 30 FPS for better image quality. Click Apply. Next, go to Hotkeys. Search for streaming at the top to filter options. Set a key combination for start streaming, like Control plus Shift plus S. Optional. Use the same combo for stop streaming to make it a toggle. You can also set hotkeys for switching scenes, muting your mic, and more. Super useful for quick control during your stream. Go to the Advanced tab, Process Priority Normal, leave the rest of the video settings at default unless you know what you're doing. Under Stream Delay, uncheck the box to disable it. This gives your viewers the lowest latency possible. Click Apply and then OK. Now go back to the main OBS window. In the Audio Mixer, click the 3 dots and choose Advanced Audio Properties. Make sure each audio source is enabled on the correct streaming track, usually track 1. If you're using a VOD track, track 2, disable things like copyrighted music so they don't appear in your saved streams. Close the window when you're done. And that's it! You've now got the optimal OBS settings for streaming in 2025, crisp visuals, balanced audio, and the best performance for your hardware. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss another tip. Got questions? Leave a comment down below. I reply to everyone, thanks for watching, and happy streaming.